Hello everyone. As mentioned in the last video, we will learn to view table structure, deleting records and modifying records from the existing table in this lecture. In MySQL, we can view the table structures with the help of describe or DESC command. This command displays all the column names, their field type, size and constraints in the MySQL software. Syntax for the same is highlighted on the screen. In this syntax, we can see that we can either use DESC or the full form of which is describe. The both commands are valid in MySQL. Example for the same is highlighted on the screen. This command will display all the column names, their field type, size, and constraints. The use of this command is also shown in MySQL software. Here you can see that when I write this command DESC student and I press enter, this output is generated in which it is clearly shown all the field names are there with their types and their constraints. For example, roll number was the primary key when we created it with the create table command. So PRI is written over here. This means that it is a primary key. And with age, we didn't give any constraint. So in null, it is mentioned, yes, that we can put null values in this. Now, let's move to the next topic, that is delete command. If we want to delete existing records from the table, delete command comes into play. This command deletes one or more records from the table depending upon the condition. Syntax of the same has been highlighted on your screen. In this syntax, first we will use delete keyword, then followed by from keyword, and then the table name. In the next line, we will write where and specified condition if there is any. For example, the example is highlighted on your screen. In this example, we are writing a query to delete all those records where roll number is greater than 2. Please note that the delete command, if run without conditions, then it will delete all the records in the table. In addition, SQL has no undo function. For example, if you write a delete command and by mistake you press enter and then the record is deleted, it will not be undone. If you want that record to be there in the table, then you have to use insert into command again. For instance, I write this command delete from students. Here in this command, we have not specified any where condition. Then all the records of the student table will be deleted. Now, let's see how to modify contents of records in the table. For this purpose, SQL provides update command that change one or more records of a table depending upon the condition if given. Syntax for the same is highlighted on your screen. In this syntax, we can see that first we will write update keyword followed by table name. Then we will write set keyword followed by the column name which needs to be changed and the new value for it. If there are multiple columns, then you can write comma separated column names and their new values, and then followed by the where condition if there is any. For example, update student, set name equals to Anupriya, where roll number equals to 1. So in this example, what we are doing is we are modifying record number 1, that is with the roll number 1, and we are changing the name of the student to Anupriya. So the previous name which was there in the record will be removed and new name will be inserted. Please note, an expression can either be a constant value. For example, in the previous example, we wrote Anupriya, that we were giving a constant name to a column value, or an operation can be done on another column or columns. For example, I have highlighted the example on the screen. In this example, what we are doing is that we are incrementing all the ages of all the students in table student by 5. Because there is no condition, that is, there is no where clause, then all the records will be updated. All the ages will be increased by 5, as we have given in the example. Thank you for today. In the next lecture, we will learn 2 more DDL commands, that is alter table command, how it is different from update table command, drop table command, and how drop clause of alter table command is different from drop table command. Thank you.